Okay, so far we have these four notes. We have a C major chord, an F major chord, a G major chord, and finally a C major chord at the end. The next step of what we're going to do is we're going to take those first notes we had of C, F, G, and C, and we're going to put them down here in the bass clef. So let's go ahead, click on that first rest here in the bass clef. Now, I still want to work with half notes, but since we've selected this quarter rest, this program wants us to work with quarter notes. So all we have to do is come up here, click half notes again. Let's enter C, F, G, and C again. So let's start with the C right here in that second space. Now, something that you're going to learn in music theory is when you have the upper notes in chords kind of moving upward, we want our bass note to go the opposite direction. That's what we call contrary motion. We want the low notes to go the opposite direction of the high notes. In here, since we have the C major chord and then everything gets higher for the F major chord, we actually want to go lower for this bass. So we're going to come down right underneath that bass clef in that little gap there. This is where low F lives on the piano, and that's what it sounds like. So far we have C and F. Now what we have to do is click on G, which is the note right above that F. Now I know from here, from this F to this G, we're going upward, and I know I just told you that we want the bass to go the opposite direction. We're going to fix that soon. So what we have is we have C, F, we step up to G, and then we see here most of these notes are going downward from the G chord to the C chord. So we actually want to come and put the C in the bass up above that G. So we have C chord, F chord, G chord, and C chord. And down in the bass we have C, F, G, and C again. So far this is what we have. I'll click on the beginning and let it play. Again, this is starting to look and sound like a real chorale, but we still got some playing around to do. Come back in the next video to get that figured out.